Assalamu alaikum. We are starting a series of nervous system lectures including neuroanatomy, neurophysiology and important clinical correlations. So today we will discuss about introduction to nervous system. So what is nervous system? Nervous system is a master control and communication system of the body. What is the meaning of this definition? That it controls all the functions of the body and it takes all the information from the environment and take that information toward the brain, and then after the brain generating a particular response about that stimulus and then send about the response of that stimulus toward the effector organ, right? So this is the basic overview of the nervous system. So nervous system is classified into two types: central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system contain brain and the spinal cord, while peripheral nervous system comprises of further two types: somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system works in a voluntary way. It means you can control this system by your own will, while the autonomic nervous system is the involuntary, means you cannot control this system. And autonomic is further classified into the sympathetic and the parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic, which is the fight and flight response, and parasympathetic, which is the rest and digest response, right? So next we have neuron. So what is neuron? Neuron is the basic structural and functional unit of the body, right? Just like every system of the body has particular neuron, like kidney has the nephron. So in this way, the nervous system also has a basic functional unit which is called neuron. And how many neurons are present in a human brain? Approximately 80 billion neurons are present in a human brain. Now we have the classification of neuron on different bases. So there are three main categories through which we can classify the neuron. So first one is the structural classification, right? So in structural classification, we have the unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron and the multipolar neurons, right? So unipolar neurons are those neurons which have just one pole, right? Just like this is the, that the structure of neuron, there is a cell body and there is a dendrite and an axon. So unipolar neurons means those neurons which have just one pole, right? There is no specific polarity about the axon or dendrite. So this is the cell body, this is the axon and this is the dendrite. So this is the unipolar. Then you have the bipolar neuron. Bipolar neurons means two poles are specified. Like if this is the cell body, then you have these two poles. One pole is called axon, where the axon terminals are present, and other pole is called dendrites. Then we have the multipolar neurons.